In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Breaking news! We just saw I can't do this.
Yes, you can. Breaking news!
Breaking news!
2 stuffed
Two
animals.
stuffed animals are dummy heads. That's why you should never let animals try
Because this just happened. What just happened? Tell us, Glenna.
this just happened. Tell us, Glenna.
No, what happened? Tell us what happened.
Killed owners from Texan driving from animals. Here's what happened.
Demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a demonstration. Tell us what happened. Wait. We're trying to get what happened here.
Okay.
We're trying to. Whoa! All right. And what happened in this incident? What did the stuffed animals do again?
They were texting each other, telling how much they like each other.
And then they ended up doing what?
Died.
They killed their owners
And moments ago,
from
we found
texting
their
while
owners
driving.
Right here. What for their owners?
Stuffed animals can't do this.
And you know that look.
These are the victims.
Oh, we don't do it. Oh yeah, you want me to? Get those zone.
Okay, and now your sign off.
Yes. Goodbye, people.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And yeah.
Okay, let's watch it.